Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Writesonic and automate blog briefs with AI detailed guide step by step clearly. First, open your web browser. Go to the Writesonic website by typing writesonic.com in the address bar. On the homepage, look for the Get Started Free button and click on it. You will be prompted to sign up or log in. If you are a new user, fill in the required information to create an account. Alternatively, you can log in using your Google or Facebook account for quicker access. Once logged in, you will be taken to the Writesonic dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface and available tools. To start automating blog briefs, navigate to the Templates section in the sidebar. Scroll through the templates and select Blog Post Brief. Click on it to open the Blog Brief Generation tool. In the provided fields, enter your blog title, keywords, and any specific instructions. After filling in the details, click on the Generate button. Wait a moment while Writesonic processes your request. Once generated, review the blog brief for accuracy and relevance. Feel free to make any modifications directly in the text editor. When satisfied with the brief, click Save to store your work. You can also export the brief to various formats as needed. To automate the process in the future, explore using Writesonic's API or integrate it with other tools. Keep an eye on the settings and preferences to tailor the generation options to your needs. Now you're ready to utilize Writesonic for efficient blog brief automation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.